All right, now let's get your logo and banner set up, or your trailer video if you prefer. So just head on over to Manage, go to General Settings, and scroll down. And we're gonna go to Network Branding. Click on Manage. And as you can see, I've already got the Magic Media logo, but if you wanna do that, you can just go in and choose whatever logo you want. You want to make sure that it's 500 by 500 and that it looks good in a circle formation, because it'll show up in the top left corner as well as other places around your Mighty network. Next, scroll down and you can either put in a banner or a video. So if it's a video, just place the YouTube or the Vimeo link there. And if it's I'm gonna do just a banner image here. So you click on the image and click on the banner. And you wanna have your tagline inside of this. Create an image that really gives the vibe that you're trying to go for with your branding. So now let's go down and customize your color palette. So our primary color we'll just leave as the black one for now, or we'll use our color black actually. There we go. And now for the secondary color, which would be the color of buttons and links and this top banner that you see here, we'll adjust those to be the color there. So you just press save once you've played around with that and get the look that you're going for. And voila, you've now got your logo and your banner image showing up. See how it looks when you go to the about? Pretty beautiful. Now it's your turn. I'll see you in the next video once you're done.